Good morning, my friend. Good morning, grade 7. Good morning, Faisal Shdewi. How are you? I hope that you enjoy the same lesson we started yesterday. This lesson will be talking about the area of the circle. Firstly, I need to make a small revision about what we studied before and what is the difference between the area of the circle and the circumference of the circle. So we have firstly the quick check. We have here quick check. Read the question, please, Faisal.
Find the radius or diameter of each circle with the given dimension.
Dimensions. Again, read that again, Faisal, please.
Find the radius or the diameter. What's this?
Find the radius or diameter of each circle with the given dimensions. Dimensions. They will be called by what last word? Dimension.
Dimension.
Okay. If he gives me the diameter in the first one is 6 centimeters. The diameter is 6. Okay. What is the radius in this case?
11.
Again, if he gives me the diameter is 6, what is the radius?
11.
Equal?
11.
No, I said for you if the diameter is 6. So the radius is what? What will make a this? We will divide this one over 2, right?
Yes.
So the diameter here will be divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2 means 6 divided by 2. It equals what?
3.
3. So the radius in this case, Faisal, is equal diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2, it will be equal 6 divided by 2, it equals 3. Okay? So if you give diameter,
Mister, if I have radius is
by 2. I said that before, Faisal, if you remember, the diameter double the radius. The diameter double the radius. So if you have the diameter divided by 2. If you have the diameter, Faisal, divided by 2. If you have the radius, multiply by 2. So the diameter is equal 6, right? The diameter here is equal 6. So the radius is equal what? The radius here is equal
3.
Why, Faisal? I will divide it by 2. We'll divide it here by 2. So if the diameter is 6, so the radius is what? The radius is 6 divided by 2 equals 3 centimeters. Okay? In number 2, he gives me the radius is equal 11 feet. The radius is 11 feet. So what is the diameter in this case?
22.
We will multiply by 2, yes. So if I will multiply 11 by 2, Faisal, it equals what?
22.
22. So if he gives me the diameter, Faisal, I will divide it by 2. If he gives me the diameter, my friend, I will divide it by 2. If he gives me the radius will be multiplied by 2. So 2 by 11, it equals 22, okay? Find the circumference. Read this question, please. Find the circumference.
Find the circumference of each circle. Use 3.14 for
pi. So the value of pi here is equal 3.14. He gives me this one as a given. He gives me this one as a given. So pi here, my friend, is equal 3.14. And he said for me around this one to the nearest
tenth of
make in this case.
And the first one, we will divide.
No. Faisal, do you remember the rule of the circumference? You have two rules. We said that before. The two rules are what, ya Faisal? The first one is 2 times pi times r, or we can set that 2 by r. Write with me. The first rule is 2 times this pi times r.
Yes.
Again, ya Faisal, the rule is what? 2 times pi times r. It means 2 by r. This is the first rule. Or pi times d. D here, it means the diameter. D here is the diameter. So again, Faisal, the circumference here is equal what? The circumference here may be equal 2 by r.
2 by r.
And the radius here is 5. Or pi times d if the diameter is 13.
Pi times d, okay.
Okay, so what we will do in this case?
2 by r.
2 by r, okay. What is pi and what is r?
The pi
is equal 3.14, right?
3.14, yes.
So we will make what, Faisal? We'll make 2 times.
2 times 3.40.
Times what?
2 times
Times the
5.
radius.
Yes.
Times 5, right? So again, the rule here is equal what, Faisal? It equals that. Look with me. We can make this one, Faisal, by this way. 2 times pi times r, okay? 2 times pi times r. So the rule here, Faisal, it will be that. 2 times pi times r. And in this case, my friend, what we will do, we will make 2 times pi 3.14 times what? Times that. Times.
Times 3.4.
So this one is will be, we said that, Faisal. If we have this one by this way, so we have this one, Faisal, is equal what? Look with me. It will be 2 times 3.14 times this number, right? 2 times 3.14 times this number. So if you will multiply this one is equal what, Faisal? Look with me, my friend. Can you see that? Look with me to the calculator.
Yes, I have the calculator. I have the calculator.
So the number here will be by this shape. 2 times 3.14 times what? Times 5. Okay? The answer here is equal what, ya Faisal?
Let me check it. 31.4. I have the calculator.
You have the calculator by this way? Okay. Thank you, Faisal. So the answer here is will be that. It will be equal what? It will be equal 2 times this number times 3.14. After that, Faisal, what will make? We will make that. We will have the next one. Look with me. If he gives me that, Faisal, if I have the diameter is equal 13, if the diameter is equal 14, what will make? We have the rule here is pi times d. If you have the diameter, this is the diameter of this. Look with me. This is the diameter, and this is the radius. Here, this one, the small one, we call it by radius. This line segment, we call it by what, ya Faisal?
By radius.
By radius. And this all is will be called by what? Diameter. The diameter here is equal 13. What is the rule, ya Faisal, to calculate the area here? We said pi times d.
Pi times d.
Okay, so we will write what? We will write pi 3.14 times d here. The diameter is 13. Okay, Faisal?
Okay.
So this one is will be equal that. 3.14, my friend. 3.14 times what? Times 13, right?
Yeah.
3.14 times 13. This one is equal what, Faisal?
3. Hello.
Yes, I am with you. I listen to you. Will be 3.14 times what? 13 directly, right? You got it? You got the result here, Faisal? Faisal. The result in this case is will be equal 3.14 times 13, yeah, Faisal. This one is equal 40.82. So the answer in this case, is equal what? 40.82. So if we will multiply by this number, it will give me the answer. The answer is 40.82. Okay, Faisal? You got the result? What is the result, Faisal?
Sir, I have problem in internet.
Okay, don't try to play, Faisal. Don't try to play.
Okay. How can I play? Wallah, my internet is...
Play with the cam and something like this. You put some notification. Okay?
No, wallah, I am with you.
So we will multiply 3.14 times what? 3.14 times this number. 13.
Times 13. Times 13.
So the result is equal what, ya Faisal?
Let me calculate it.
It equals
3.14. 14.82.
Right? 40.82, Faisal. So the area in this case 40.82. 2 here is less than 5, right? 2 here
Yes.
is less than 5. Okay,
It will
Faisal?
be 80.
It will be 40.8 only.
80.
40.8 only. Okay, Faisal? Can we go to another slide? Read, please.
Answer.
Read the essential question.
Essential question. How do measurements help you describe real world objects?
Again, how does measurements help?
How do
measurements help you to describe the real world objects? Okay, so we need to know what is geometry, or the measurement of the geometry is helping us to find the real objects. Okay, number 2, what we need to learn today?
To find the area of a circle, to find the area of a
semicircle. Again, we will find what, Faisal?
Semicircle and circle. Area
what is the meaning of the semicircle? If we have the new vocabulary of this lesson, it will be semicircle. So the new vocabulary of this lesson is semicircle. So semicircle, it means half circle, Faisal. Okay. Semicircle here, it means half circle. So the semicircle here, it means half circle. So this part is equal half of the circle by this way. Okay? And we have that this part, half Faisal, is equal what? Is equal 16. That. 16. So this is what? Yeah, Faisal. Faisal, this one is will be what? Is will be diameter or?
No, this will be
or radius.
Diameter.
Diameter. So this one is will be that. Is will be diameter, right? Can you tell me, Faisal, what is the radius?
The half of the line, not all of the line.
Okay, so the radius is will be what is will be that is will be the radius is half. Half of that is equal what, your face?
Half the radius.
Half the diameter. I need the radius. It will be half the diameter, right?
Okay. 2 by 2 times d.
So it will be that the radius here, it will be half of the 16, right?
Yes.
Half of 16 here is equal what? Is equal 8. Right? Okay. Half of 16 here is will be equal what, ya Faisal? It will be equal 8 only. Right, Faisal?
Okay.
So we will need the radius. So what we'll make? We will divide this diameter 16 inch divided by 2. So this one is will be 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal what? It will be equal 8. Our new lesson today, Faisal, is will be talking about area of the circle. What is the meaning of the area of the circle? I need to count the number of the squares I can put them inside the circle if I know the radius. So if I know the radius, Faisal, we need here to find the area. It means the number of squares I can put them inside the circle. So we need here to read the key concept. Can you read the key concept, Faisal?
Of course. Find the area of a circle. Words. The area A of a circle equals the product of pi and the square of its radius r.
Okay, raise your voice and speak up again.
Find the area of a circle. Words. The area of a circle equals the product of pi and the square of its radius r.
So the area here is equal pi times r squared, right? The area of the circle here is equal pi times r squared. The area of the circle is equal pi times r squared by this shape. Okay, Faisal? The next one we have here an example. Look with me to this an example, Faisal. It gives me that find the area of the circle using pi is equal 3.14 or 3.14 for pi. So we will use pi here in this example, Faisal, by 3.14. He gives me that firstly we must write the rule, we must write the formula of this one. So in the first situation, I must write the rule, I must write the formula. So area here is equal what? By r squared. The area here is what? By r squared. By we will plug this one by 3.14 or we'll replace by 3.14.
And
we'll replace r by 2 because the radius here is equal to. So if he gives me the radius is equal to, I will remove r and put this r is equal to. So again, by here, I will replace it by 3.14. I will replace by a Faisal by 3.14, and I will replace R by 2. So this one is equal 3.14 times 4, right? 3.14 times 4, Faisal, is equal what? This one is equal 12.56. If I will multiply 3.14 by 2 power 2, means 2 squared. 3.14 times 2 power 2 means 2 squared. So it will be 3.14 times 4, Faisal. So I will multiply 12.56 by this shape. This is the result of the multiplication. If you need to approximate this one, my friend, it will be equal 12.6 only. So the result in this case is equal to what? 12.6.
60.
If what?
Because 60, 12.60. Because if you
No, we don't write 0 in the right. In decimal, we don't write the 0 in the right. Okay, Faisal? So it will be 12.6 only. Okay, it's not 60. It will be the best written by this way. Look with me to the next example and tell me what will make. Again, remember the rule, Faisal. The area of the circle is equal by r squared. What is the meaning of r squared, Faisal? It means the number multiplied by itself. If this radius is 3, it will be not 3 by 2. It will be 3 by 3. If I have the radius is equal 5, it will be 5 by 2. It means 5 by 5. Okay? I multiply the number by itself, Faisal. I multiply the number by what, Faisal? By itself. Okay? Look with me to this example. It gives me here, read, Faisal, please. Speak
Find
up.
the area of the circle. Use 3.14 for pi.
Again, Faisal, we need to find
the area. We need to find the area of the circle. If we use 3.14 for pi.
So pi here is equal 3.14, right?
Yes.
And r is equal what, Faisal? R, it means the radius.
R 4.
4. So we will have here that the area is equal by r squared. The area here is by r squared, right?
Yes.
So it will be 3.14 times r squared. What r squared, Faisal? 4 squared, right? 4 power 2. It will be 4 squared or 4 power 2, right?
4 power 2 equal
16.
16.
Right? 4 power 2, Faisal, here is equal 16, right?
Yes. Yes.
If I have here that, Faisal, I need the area of the circle, and the rule is by r squared, it will be by 3.14 times this number. We will multiply over the calculator. We will use the calculator again. So we'll use what? 3.14, my friend, times 16, right?
Yes.
It equals what?
Equals 50.2.
50.2. It will be 50.24, and 4 here is less than 5.
Yeah.
4 here is less than 5, so we'll add 1. No, we don't add 1. We write 2 only, right?
No, Mr. Yes, I say 50.2.
0.2. Excellent.
Yeah, because
the next example. Read the question, please.
Find the area of a circle with a radius of 14 centimeter. Use 22/7 for pi.
So he used here by a different number. We said by in the 2 previous examples by what, Faisal? By 3.14, right?
Yeah.
So I have here that I have by here is equal 3.14, right?
Yeah.
All the time. But in this case, I will write what? 22/7.
22/7.
So this one will be 22/7. So we will write this one 22/7 times 14 squared, right?
Yeah.
22/7 times 14 squared. 14 squared equals what? Equal 196, right? 196. 196, right, Faisal?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Remember, we will make 14 times itself, not 14 by 2, my friend. We don't multiply 14 by 2. We will multiply 14 by 14, okay?
Okay.
After that, what will make, Faisal? We will make simplification between 196 and 7. We will simplify these two numbers together, Faisal. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Divided by 7 here gives me 1.
1. And And the next side, 28.
28. After that, what will make Faisal? I will multiply 28 by
22. 28
28 by 22 equals what?
28 by 22 equals 600.
16. So the area in this
yes.
case, my friend, the area in this case is equal what, my friend? Is equal 616 centimeters squared. Again, Faisal, look with me, please, because this one is very important. If he gives me that the area is equal by r squared, the area is equal by r squared. What is the meaning of squared, Faisal? Means the number multiplied by itself. Is it clear? So we will make here what? We will multiply the number by itself, 14 by itself. So we will remove by and put 22 over 7. We will remove r and substitute it by 14. It will be 14 squared. We will make 22 over 7 times 196. So it will be 22 over 7 times 196 will be 28. We will multiply them together. It gives me 616 centimeters squared. Okay, Faisal? I need you now to write this one and solve it alone. Okay? I will give you 2 minutes to try to solve it and give me the steps. Okay, Faisal? I will waiting you. Give me the steps, write the steps in the chat. The same steps. Okay, Faisal?
Okay. Can you let me draw it here?
Okay, draw it. You have the time here. No, you draw over the board?
Yes.
Okay, Faisal, I will give you the time for making this. Okay, Faisal, go. Do you solve the Faisal?
Do you see my drawing?
No, I don't see your drawing.
Okay, the first thing.
No, wait. I will give you the time again.
Okay.
Can you do that again?
Okay.
Wait, Faisal, 1 second. Allow. Okay, go. You right, Faisal?
Yes.
But I can't see anything in my screen.
I write circle and 7 centimeter and there is line.
Can you write it? Can you write it in the chat? You will make what? Okay. The rule of the area is equal by r squared, right?
I can say it to you. Yes.
Okay, then, tell me, Faisal. Tell me what we will do.
7 centimeter. Then
we will make what for the 7?
Divided.
I will write 7 only or 7 squared?
No, 7 squared, of course.
So we will write here 7 is will be squared, right?
Yeah.
So 7 squared, it means 7 by 7 or 7 by 2. Faisal, my friend.
Yes.
7 squared equals what?
Equal by 2.
7 by 7, right?
Yes.
7 by 7 here is equal what?
Power 2.
Okay, 7 by 7 is will be equal 49. 49, my friend. 7 by 7. 7 plus 7, it gives me 14.
Multiply, yes.
Yes, I multiply, my friend. I multiply. Okay, my son?
Because it was, yes. Because
yes. So here we will make that, Faisal. We will make 7 bar 2. It means what? 7 by 7. 7 by 7, it gives me what? 100?
40.
It will be equal 49. If I multiply 49 times 22 over 7, we can simplify 49 with 7. Right?
Yes.
We will simplify 7. 49 and 7 together gives me 7, right?
Yes.
7 by 22 is equal what?
154.
154. So the result here is equal what? 154 centimeters squared. Okay, Faisal? Can we go to another example? Look with me, my friend. Okay. Read the example, please, Faisal.
Find the area of the base of the Virginia.
Virginia quarter. This is a coin, Faisal. Like quarter real, if it will be coin. Okay?
Okay. Virginia quarter with a diameter of 24 millimeters.
So the diameter
Use
is equal?
24.
Again, the diameter is equal what, Faisal?
24.
Okay, so we have the
Millimeter.
diameter here is equal 24. Do you have a rule by the diameter if you need the area? No. We
No.
don't have a rule, ya Faisal, to find the area by using them. So we will try to find the radius. How I can find the radius? If I give you the diameter is 24, ya Faisal. I give you the diameter is 24. So what is the radius here?
The diameter is 24.
Yes?
You will divide it by 2.
Divided by 2. So 24 here will be divided by 2, right?
Yes.
24
equal,
here is divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 is equal what?
12.
Is equal 12. Again, my friend Faisal, if he gives me the radius is equal 12, I will write it as it is. But if he gives me the diameter of Faisal is equal 24, what we'll do? We will divide this number, my friend, over 2. So if I give you the diameter is equal 24, ya Faisal, you must divide this number by 2. You must divide this number over 2. So 24 divided by 2, ya Faisal, equals what?
12.
12. So we'll use this 12 and make this 12 is squared, right? We will make it power 2. So 3.14, I will multiply by 12 power 2. It means 144, my friend. Okay?
Okay.
If I multiply 3.14 by 12 squared, it means 144. The result is equal what? 452.
Let me calculate.
Okay.
452.16.
If I need you, Faisal, to make approximation to one decimal place, it means to the nearest tenth, my friend. What will?
Okay. It will be 20. 2.
So it will be 452.2. Excellent, Faisal. So this one will be 6. Give 1, 1. Another 1. 1 plus 1 will be equal what? Is equal 2. Okay. Look with me to this example. Read the question, please, Faisal.
Sir, can you finish fast because I will go to
after this example, wallah, Faisal.
Okay.
This is
find the area. Okay. Find the area of cover by the fountain. Use 3
the meaning of the fountain.
Yes. Can I say it in Arabic?
It's a place make waters and games, something like that. It will be make fun for the people, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nafura.
Yes. Excellent, Faisal.
Use 13.44 by round the nearest 10th if necessary.
We have a trouble here, Faisal. What is the trouble, my friend?
We don't know.
He gives me the value of pi.
Yes, but we don't know if it's radius or diameter.
Yes, I have a diameter, Faisal. You have the radius? No, I have a diameter. What is the diameter here, my friend?
5.2.
Yes, so the diameter here, my son, is 5.2. Why is the diameter, Faisal? Because it will be joining between 2 points on the circle. So this 5.2, you can see it? Can you see 5.2?
Yes.
This is what, ya Faisal? This is diameter, my son. This is diameter, my son. So the diameter here is equal 5.2. The diameter here is 5.2. So the radius is equal what?
We will divide it.
Excellent, excellent, Faisal. We'll divide it here. You are my hero today. You will divide it by 2. 5.2 divided by 2 equals what?
Equals 2.6.
Excellent, excellent, Faisal. Amazing student today. So here pi is equal 3.14 and r is equal 2.6. You need to find the area of the circle. Do you remember the rule, Faisal?
What?
The rule of the area. Do you remember that? I forget it, Faisal. Can you dictate it?
Me too. Me too.
You too. It will be by r squared, Faisal. By r squared again.
By r squared.
I need you, Faisal. I need you from today.
Divide
Forget
divide
your name, Faisal, and remember one thing only.
Okay.
The area is equal by r squared, and the circumference equal 2 by r or by times d. Again,
Yes.
Faisal. I need you
Power
from
2.
today, Faisal.
Power
Faisal
2. Power
Shlewi,
2.
forget your name, Faisal Shlewi.
Okay.
You remember 2 points only.
My
The
name
area
is
of the circle is equal by r squared. And the
Yes.
circumference is equal to by r or by times d. Okay? Here we need the area, right? We
Yeah.
got the radius is equal to 0.6, right?
Yes.
So if the radius is equal to 0.6 and pi is equal 3.14, my friend Faisal, what is the area here? Can you tell me, Faisal? What is the area? Faisal. Faisal. Okay. We will make what, yeah, Faisal? We will make 3.14, okay, by times what? 2.6 squared. So the result in this case, Faisal, is equal what? It equal 21.22. 21.22. So the result in this case is equal 21.22. And because 2 is less than 5, okay, the result is 21.2, okay, because the other 2 is less than 5. Okay, thank you, grade 7. Thank you, Faisal Shlewi. I enjoyed the session with you today. You are amazing student, okay? So try to solve the book, and tomorrow, inshallah, bring it with you because we will solving many exercises over this lesson. Thank you for your time, grade 7, and I hope that you have happy Ramadan, and I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. See you soon. Bye bye.